channel. This is another video of my flip through. So this is my Christmas market one. I wanted to show you guys exactly what all of mine looks like. Now I added this with a couple other layouts in here that aren't even done. It's completely like what I want to add in the beginning because I wasn't quite sure where to put those. But these are the markets. So this is one of the layouts that I did while I was in Germany. I just started it out. I wanted to put down the dates that I went. So the 2 years that we were there, we were able to go to Christmas markets anyway, we went. So they went from December of 2014 to December of 2016. And this is of my son and my daughter, and this states, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." And I just made it simple and whatnot. And then I did the flip through of this part here was in Tübingen. And I didn't really have a particular layout that I wanted to like just scrapbook by itself, so I added it in here. And then here we come up to Esslingen. And there's some photos. That's what kind of mimics here. It matches a little bit within here. And then these are the little items, you know, that are on top of the buildings over there. And they always have some fun. So they have, at Esslingen, they have stuff that is like medieval style. And I thought that I would put in some fun stuff. This is how they roast a pig and all this kind of little things. And then there's some more. I always went and got mistletoe. They always had fresh mistletoe. I loved it. Such fresh. And then this layout, you guys have already seen. This has got a process video. This is us eating all of the street food type stuff and my glue vine. And then this was the small little town, their Christmas market. This was a small town that I started the year of, we didn't do much in 2015. So that's the thing is that I worked so much in the first 2 years of us being over there that I kind of ransacked 2016. And so this was in Viagen, which was a small little town that was right outside of where we lived for the 3 years. So this is my bestie. So this is one of my besties over there. Her and I did tons of stuff together. We always went shopping, you name it. We always gone together for about anything. We went on a girls trip for the first time together when it was just 3 girls or 3 ladies. And we got one of the Germans to take a photo for us, which was awesome because a lot of times they're like, huh, what? So if you can find somebody that's talking American, yeah, it's perfect. And somebody behind there is eating. But these two do not have any process videos at all because I did these while we were in Germany. And now some of these we're going to get into us doing process videos. So this does have a process video. This is where we went to where the town, I can't remember exactly what the town is called. However, it is underneath this big train track that runs across, and it's a bridge, and you'll be able to see it. And there it is. It's a huge, and then the Christmas market sits right underneath that. So this is my daughter and the train track. She's sitting on some logs. And then this has a process video to it as well. And she's looking up at the train track, and I just absolutely love this layout. This does have a process video. This one also has a process video as well. This one is called Mugshot. It's a particular drink over there that they have. That's a brandy, and this part here lights on fire, and then you throw that in down below, and then you drink. And I have these cups as well. This has a process video too. And here is another good friend of mine and her children and my children. We're all together doing this trip. And there's the train track that I was telling you. So as you can tell as you can tell in this particular photo, the train track runs across and the Christmas market is right underneath. Now, we did this during the day because of the kids. I would have loved to go back And we didn't, but I would have loved to go back and done this particular one at night because I think it would have just been absolutely stunning. And unfortunately, they didn't get much snow the year that we did a lot of Christmas markets. But this place is absolutely gorgeous if they get tons of snow. It's like a hit and miss for them getting snow. And this is another process video that I have, and it states, "Baby, it's cold outside." And here I am, I'm drinking a hot beer. Oh, I will change this. Yes, I know that this is wrong. I forgot to change this afterwards. But this is another process video that I did. This is where I messed up, and I thought I changed it, but I didn't. I'll go back and change it after I get done. But yes, this is the last one for that. And then we roll into Strasbourg, France. And it's one of the Notre Dame churches, and that's where they have their Christmas market. This is another one that's gorgeous at night as well. And there's pictures of the Catholic Church. And a lot of the Christmas markets are always around a church. Unlike the other one that I did, most of them are around either this town, like the town center, or a church. And so this has a process video as well. And here's some more of their decor. This also has a process video. This is using Hip Kit and Pink Fresh Studio. And of course, you always got to have your food, and then we were having some fun. More Christmas decor. I absolutely, golly, did I love being in Europe. It was amazing. So here's this dude. This dude was doing all this lovey-dovey stuff. And this was the photo. He wanted me to come up and be his, like, guinea pig. And I've done a process video for this one. And this has a process video as well. You guys have seen this. This is Alm. And here are some more photos. Get kind of like there. And then there is the little things up on top. This is so gorgeous. And this has a process video as well. There's the venison. Here's some more of that church. Like, again, I said it's always around a church. This also has a process video as well. And I absolutely love that photo. It's just super gorgeous. And then this has a process video. Now we're in Rothenberg. And this has Catherine Wolfwar's very first like building that they made as well. And it's based around it's the town center as well, but this one isn't based around a church, but it's around their town center. This has got a process video as well. And there's the shenanigans of my bestie, Amy. This has got a process video. And then here is the photos that I was telling you about. This is Kathy Wamfott's very first video, or like place that they have. It's the biggest one. Look how gorgeous the tree is in the inside. And they have all these little things. It's just absolutely stunning. And like I said, here's the town center that it's based around. And then this is Stuttgart, which is the very last Christmas market. See, it's in flames, as you can tell. It burns, and then the minute this goes out, you dip that in, and then you drink. And I pretty much broke them, made them a version of this drink. This was the first time they ever had it. There's the flames, and Amy's like, oh. And that's another good friend of mine, Rebecca. And then, of course, we went by and took this photo. It was raining. It's gorgeous. Those trees are absolutely stunning. This does not have a process video. Oh, this has a process video too. It's one of my older ones, but it's a process video. This is what I just finished. This was the last page that I did, and here's some more photos. And then obviously this has got a process video, and so does this one. And there you go. That is all of my Christmas markets. Oh, here's a photo. I've already done this. This is one of my very first videos that I ever did for my YouTube channel. But this is a waterfall. And then here is, see, now here I go. Here's some more I could show you. This has also got a process video, and this is such a gorgeous waterfall. See, I gotta make a little thing for that. And then here's my daughter, and we're right behind the waterfall, and then that's it. So, there is my flip through of my Christmas markets. I hope that you enjoyed that, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!